Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, may question kasi. Pasensya na medyo maingay. No? May question sa akin kahapon. And I think parang hindi masyadong appropriate nung nag-reply ako no, sa TikTok. Nag-reply ako na, kasi ang tanong niya, is it haram to wear makeup? Is it haram to show the aura or aurat? So, I answered. It is more rewarding if you are not putting too much makeup. And sinabi ko rin sa video na yun na usually, pag ako talaga ay lalabas or papasok sa work, naka-sunblock lang po. So, ngayon naka-sunblock lang po tayo. Ayan po. Pero, naka-lipstick, no? So, maputla kasi ako pag totally walang makeup na. So, it's more rewarding if you are not putting too much makeup. Pero may napanood po ko na one of the scholars po na minention niya na kung hindi mo naman like totally babaguhin yung itsura mo, like for example, yung eye bags gusto mo lang takpan or meron ka mga pimple marks gusto mong i-cover up, that's okay. Pero syempre, it's more rewarding nga po if hindi tayo nagpakita ng nag-makeup because it will cause fitna. And some are commenting na, when you do video, can you go backwards? So, parang hindi raw ako, nagko-cause ng fitna. So, may Allah forgive me, no? Sa paggamit din ng social media. But what I am trying, no? My intention is just to share what I know, what I am learning. That is really my intention. So inshallah, I am able to help and guide some of the sisters, no, especially yung mga reverts po na kagaya ko. Ayun din, magkaroon din sila ng knowledge if they are not going to school yet. So inshallah, magkaroon kayo ng chance to study rin about Islam. So, yun lang. It is more rewarding if you are not putting makeup. Tapos, syempre, may nag-comment pa na ang mga Muslims daw, they love tattoos. Astaghfirullah, it's not allowed in Islam, especially if you are born and raised Muslim. And if you will see the born and raised Muslims, they are not wearing any tattoos. But to those who embrace or revert, those who converted to Islam, so may mga ibang tawag kasi, but I prefer using revert, no, or balik Islam. Especially kung ikaw ay Filipino. So, sabi nila na ang Muslim mahilig sa tattoo. Maybe you are confused with the henna, or what do we call it, mendi? So, usually pag may mga, like for example, Eid, no, may mga nagsusuot ng henna or mendi, ito po ay nawawala. Depende kung paano mo ingatan, no? Yung iba, in 3 days, wala na siya. Yung iba naman, inaabot ng 1 week or 2. So, depende po, no? But it's not permanent like tattoo. Yung tattoo kasi is permanent. And someone also commented, like for me kasi it's it will be hard, no, para i-remove. Okay? So if you can, dalawa kasi yun. So may nag-comment sa akin, thank you brother for correcting me, no. So may Allah forgive me kung meron akong na-share na mali. But thank you for those brothers and sisters who's correcting. So, merong scholars na sasabihin like, if you have this before embracing Islam, like if you have tattoos before embracing Islam, when you embrace, you did your shahada, you are forgiven. The sins are, forgiven already. So, you're like a newborn child. Lagi kong scenario, no? But, if you are already a Muslim or you embrace Islam already, and then you are planning to put tattoos, it's forbidden, it's haram. So meron din na, like for example, kung hindi naman makakasama sa health mo, or hindi ka naman magpeklat, hindi ka masyadong masaktan when removing the tattoos that you have before Islam, so it is rewarding then. But if it will cause you harm, infections, or pain, discomfort, it's okay not to remove. Okay po? So, ayun, meron kasing yan eh. Even when we are studying, no, meron niyang laging binibigay ng yung aming teacher, yung mga hadiths, no? And yung mga scholars din, may mga explanation yan. So, try to search about it also. So, forgive me if I am not really that much knowledgeable as of now. I am trying to. And sinishare ko po yung sa akin, yung experiences ko. And yung sa akin nga, sinabi ko na hindi na siya okay na tanggalin. Because meron kasi yan, di ba, may mga iba-ibang bansa like, depende sa color ng tattoo. Pag yung color ng tattoo mo is like a lot of colors, may mga hindi natatanggal na color, which is yung green and blue. I think, yun, no? Kung hindi ako nagkamali, correct me if I'm wrong. So, hindi siya natatanggal. Like, for example, if colorful lang yung tattoo, tapos i-remove mo, maiiwan dyan yung green and yung blue. So, parang hindi pa rin nabura. At the same time, if you are keloidal, na lalabas din siya sa skin mo, so, better, if you can, at least cover, no? Kung hindi mo ma-remove totally, and it's gonna harm you by removing it. You can just cover, and just don't talk about it anymore. Don't show it anymore. Yun lang po. So, inshallah, nasagot ko yung questions, no? So, ayun po. Tatry natin sagutin yung mga questions kung kaya at kung makikita ako, no? And, ayun po, let's just try to be more respectful with each other and sa ating mga brothers and sisters in Islam. Try to protect also the newly reverts, no? By the means of protecting is, wag na natin tayo ang mag-ungkat pa ng past. So, as a brothers and sister, we must protect our brothers and sisters. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much for watching. Assalam.